Bhavan, we start this bulletin with the news that's coming in from the state of Himachal Pradesh, where the Himachal Pradesh High Court has issued an order allowing the sale of State Bhavan in the national capital after Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu's government failed to pay the electricity dues amounting to approximately rupees 150 crore. The High Court had previously warned the Himachal Pradesh government at failure of these dues, which led to serious consequences. Now, this fresh controversy has hit the Congress government in Himachal. It has triggered another political face-off. First, the financial crisis, then the toilet tax, and now the Himachal Bhawan on quote-unquote sale is the Congress's Khata Khat model of politics that now stands completely exposed. First, listen in to what Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu had to say. First, listen in to what Anup Ratan had to say.
I would correct you that it is not the failed to pay but we have not deposited it because there was stay operating, but we thought that the matter should be heard by the division bench at the earliest. So we were requesting time and again to the division bench to hear this matter at the earliest. The controversy which is presently wrapped up is that the single judge in execution petition has directed to attach the property of Himachal Bhawan for non-payment of 64 crore rupees ordered by a single judge in a writ petition whereof an LPA is pending in the High Court. So since our appeal is pending in our High Court and we are pressing hard for early hearing of that appeal, and the court has given us date in near future in this month itself, so the matter would be heard finally by the division bench of the court shortly, I suppose.
Mr. Ratan, the court had already warned the government in this regard, saying that if they fail to pay the 64 crores, which was the actual due, they will have to bear the brunt, and which also led to the increase in the amount, which is now 150 crores, including the interest. So that is called the failure to the payment of the dues.
No, this all is with respect to the judgment of single judge. Actually, what had happened, the government has suffered a loss of around 700 crore up to now because of non-construction of this project by the company. It's the company that failed to construct the project. The company was allotted this project way back in 2009. PIA was entered into in 2011. After that PIA, the company was given time to prepare a DPR within 36 months. Company prepared that DPR. And after preparation of that DPR, company submitted it for techno-economic clearances. Since company failed to get the techno-economic clearances, since company failed to execute the project, the company was not liable for refund. We say the London single judge has wrongly given that refund to the company, and it is also a condition of the pre-implementation agreement that if company fails to prepare at the stage of DPR, company says that project is not viable, in such eventuality, company is liable for refund, but refund would be without interest. So the contract between the parties is governed by the agreement between the parties. In our opinion, writ court has completely misread the implementation agreement, pre-implementation agreement. Therefore, we have every chance to succeed in the LPA.
So, Mr. Ratan, is it safe to say that you are saying that it was High Court's order that has in a way supported the company, and it has given the verdict in its favor? Yes. The High Court order is not fair, you are saying?
I say that is in appeal. Appeal, we have said that the order is not legal. But as of now, there is a single judge order in the High Court, which is under appeal before the LPA court. So normally, what happens that when there is an appeal, the stay is granted subject to deposit of amount. Similar thing has happened in this case also. But since government in its wisdom decided that at this stage we don't want to deposit, now this executing court has filed an order, passed an order and it has become a sensational news because the Himachal Bhawan property is involved. Had it been some other property, car or anything else, or office of Samadhi, it would have not have been a news of this nature in Delhi.
My last question to you is that six CPS officers were dismissed. Now, the High Court's, as per High Court's order, the post is only unconstitutional. And to top it all, we have seen over the months how the Himachal